And now back to the sport news. The fans of table tennis from around the world were shocked last week when the famous player David was suspended from the league. He is under the suspicion for drug abuse after being seen partying with the famous drug dealer Daniel. Now we will connect with our reporter Adita waiting outside the testing center. Hello Adita, can you hear me?
Hi Teresa, yes, I'm here with David. Hi David, thank you for doing this interview with us. So, how did the testing go?
Hi Ardita. As you know, this is my first interview since the rumor started. I wanted to wait for my test results before saying anything, and of course I tested negatively. And I would like to thank all of my fans and my family for supporting me through this cause. And I hope to win the championship, to repay them.
And what about your club? What was your club's stand in this situation?
I respect their position, but I would expect much more public support from them.
And my last question, David, would be, do you think that this will affect your contract renewal negotiations?
No comment, thank you.
So, this was all about my interview with David. Back at you, Teresa.
Thank you, Adita. That was an interesting interview. And now, to follow up with the news, our reporter Nicolina is with David's coach Riyad. Hi Nicolina.
Hi Teresa. Coach, you have seen the live report. What are your thoughts on it?
Good afternoon. First of all, I want to say that I'm happy to see that the truth is out. I personally never doubted David, but as a club we had a protocol which we followed to the dot. I saw his comment. I know that he has a tough week and it's understandable. We are just, as a club, we are glad that he's back.
Would you like to add anything else?
Yes, I would like to appeal to the media to be more careful with their reports and be more aware of the effects that it has on personal life of the people.
Thank you, Coach. That was a wonderful message from the coach. I hope we can all learn from it and minimize this kind of incidents in the future. Back to you, Teresa.
Thank you, Nicolina. With this, we will conclude our news program. Stay with us to follow the weather forecast.